Are you worried about the security of your WordPress website? Introducing WP Security Ninja, your ultimate solution to safeguard your site from cyber threats. With its powerful features and user-friendly interface, WP Security Ninja has been a trusted choice for WordPress users since 2011. Welcome back to Pixabiz. We help you find the best LTD deals. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. With WP Security Ninja, you get a complete set of tools to keep your website safe and sound, no matter what. From an advanced firewall to real-time malware scanning, this plugin ensures your website is always protected. Let's look into some of its key features. The plugin is designed with simplicity in mind. With its intuitive interface, securing your website takes just a few clicks, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced user, WP Security Ninja is designed for effortless WordPress security management. Resolve vulnerabilities instantly with one-click fixes and keep track of suspicious activities through detailed event logging. WP Security Ninja gives you complete control over your site's safety. It performs over 50 advanced security tests to identify vulnerabilities before hackers exploit them. These tests include brute force protection, file integrity monitoring, database security checks, user role audits, and security misconfiguration scans. This comprehensive approach ensures your WordPress site is secure without slowing it down. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your data is protected. Save time and money by automating security tasks and improving website performance by blocking malicious traffic. It's cost-effective and reliable. WP Security Ninja also offers premium USA-based support, ensuring you get help when you need it. While powerful, WP Security Ninja requires regular updates and proper configuration to stay effective. Compatibility with some themes or plugins might need testing, but the benefits far outweigh the challenges. It's essential to stay informed about the latest security threats and update the plugin regularly. Whether you're a business owner protecting customer data, a freelancer managing multiple client websites, or a solopreneur securing your online store, WP Security Ninja has got you covered. It's scalable and suitable for websites of all sizes. WP Security Ninja also includes advanced features like cloud-based threat intelligence, providing real-time updates on the latest security threats. You can schedule automated security scans and receive detailed reports directly in your inbox. This proactive approach ensures your site stays secure without requiring constant manual checks. The plugin offers integration with tools like Zapier via webhooks, allowing you to send events about blocked visitors or login attempts to your preferred platforms. For those managing multiple client sites, WP Security Ninja provides a white label option, enabling you to control licenses remotely and hide license information. With WP Security Ninja, you can monitor and track over 50 events on your site, from user actions to post edits and widget changes. This detailed activity log helps you identify suspicious activity and take immediate action. You can also redirect blocked visitors to any URL you choose, maintaining complete control over your website's access. This feature is particularly useful for managing unwanted traffic and ensuring your site remains secure. For those managing multiple websites, WP Security Ninja allows you to easily import and export settings with just a few clicks. This feature streamlines your workflow, saving you time and effort when configuring security across multiple sites. Enhance your login security with two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. This feature is crucial in preventing brute force attacks and ensuring only authorized users can log in. WP Security Ninja's Cloud Firewall blocks over 600 million known malicious IPs, updated twice daily. This dynamic database ensures your site is protected from the latest threats. You can also block visitors from specific countries, providing granular control over who accesses your site. With country blocking, you can prevent visits from any country and show a customizable message to blocked visitors or redirect them to another URL. This feature is useful for managing traffic and ensuring compliance with regional regulations. The plugin integrity checker verifies that installed plugins from WordPress.org have not been modified, providing an early warning sign of malicious code. This proactive approach helps prevent potential security breaches. WP Security Ninja checks plugins and themes against a regularly updated list of vulnerabilities. If you're not keeping up with updates, it warns you of known vulnerable plugins, ensuring you stay ahead of emerging threats. Use scheduled scans to be notified if something changes on your website. This feature ensures you're always informed about potential security issues, allowing you to take swift action. Don't wait for threats to compromise your site. Get WP Security Ninja today. You can find the link to this amazing tool in the description below this video and in the pinned comment. Grab the exclusive deal on AppSumo now and secure your WordPress site with lifetime access. See you all with another incredible deal in the next video. Until then, keep growing.